Ilyapa Home Improvement Cabinet Knobs. Strong and elegant design that adds a beautiful finish to any home. Find your favorite hardware finish and style from our Ilyapa collection. Installation. For new cabinetry, mark the desired location and using an electric drill, make the holes where the knobs will be installed. If you are replacing existing hardware, simply proceed to unscrewing and removing it from cabinets. Once the holes have been drilled or the old hardware has been removed, decide which of the included mounting screws you are going to need to use. Depending upon the thickness of your cabinets, you may need to use the breakaway screw included with your knobs, which is customizable in length. To determine which screw to use, hold it to the side of the cabinet and measure about 1/4 of an inch wider than the cabinet door, and cut the excess with a plier. Typically, the included 1-inch screw will fit most cabinets. Insert the screw from the back of the cabinet and screw the knob while holding the back of the screw with your other hand and secure it as tightly as possible. Use a screwdriver to tighten while holding the knobs in place with your other hand until they are snug and secure. Repeat the process for all the cabinetry. This completes your installation. Ilyapa Home Improvement Collection, designed with your home in mind.